Before I start the video, let me show you my baby.
Mommy's silly.
I will be 30 weeks in 2 days. Baby's cooking. Baby's cooking. Hi guys, let me get closer. I don't know about you, but I have a lot of Ikea bags and they're so useful. It was so useful for us right now while we were moving because we were able to just throw things in there and move it along. But I know that these bags, it's easy to just crumple them up and it's like a big bulk in your closet, right? So I'm gonna show you an easy way to fold them down.
I'm dizzy. And guys, I lost my tooth.
So basically, you just open the bag up wide and you pull the two sides over here and you flatten out the top. And then you fold it in, and fold it down.
What are you doing?
You should be eating your food.
I know that. I'm hungry.
Let me show you guys one more time.
What are you?
So, here we go again. You pull on the sides. You fold the top part down. You fold it in. You fold it in again.
And then you're done.
And then you fold it in.
And then you're done.
And then you're done. And then you sit on it to flatten it for a little bit with your body. So I'm gonna show you guys a few
now we're
a little
done.
faster.
Now we're done.
Because now I'm gonna roll. And there you have it. A bunch of, close your mouth, no, we don't wanna see your food in your mouth.
I'm not.
A more organized stash of Ikea bags. Now I have more space. Thank you for watching, you guys. If you liked the video, give it a like. And if you're not subscribed yet, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good day.